You stay still and you look around. There, that's it. Okay, now we go to the kitchen. Let me see how much you have. Oh, that's a lot. Let's go. It's the kitchen. What? Okay, there's some more still. No, there's two more. Come here with me. Come here. Come here, Amy. Did you find it? Go get it. So did you find them all? Okay, come on. Go get your thing and count. Go get your eggs. No, you'll get it. Pick it up. We're gonna go to the family room. Come on. Yeah, let's go. Get your Easter eggs and let's count it. And let's see what's inside. Come on, let's go. How old are you now?
3.
3. No, you count it here. Let me see what kind of eggs did you get.
1, 2.
No, empty it here. Oh, no. Amy. What come out of your nose? Okay, let's see. What kind of egg did you get?
1.
Let's go see. Come on. Come here. Put it here. Open your eggs. Oh, you eat your donut first? Okay.
Open it.
You gonna open your eggs? You open it.
You with me at first.
Okay, hold on.
I just I give because miracle. I just got it. I love it. There's 2 and 1 again. Here.